I'm Scott Kundle from My Most Trusted, and I'm going to show you how ChatGPT integrates with LinkedIn. It's pretty flipping incredible. It's a lot of fun, and it's also pretty darn terrifying, let's be honest. There's no question that the AI genie has been unleashed. So here we go. So I'm Scott Kundle. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, just find me on LinkedIn, Scott Kundle. Right, I'm going to demo this with two LinkedIn profiles. One is with Guy Wilson, and the other one is with Linda Joy Ben. These are two different LinkedIn profiles with two completely different personality types, as you can see. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ChatGPT and the integration with My Most Trusted. Now, this little icon sits on top of LinkedIn. You install it in about 15 seconds. My Most Trusted, I'll show you that in a second. But what you'll see is it's deep insight into Guy Wilson, and you'll also get deep insight into Linda Joy Ben. Now, this extension is free, so you can just use it and have some fun. And I'm going to show you some really cool stuff now. So if I click deep insight into Guy Wilson, it's going to give me a profile summary of Guy Wilson. In other words, it's read Guy's entire LinkedIn profile and he summarized that LinkedIn profile into one paragraph, which is extremely useful. Then it's done something else. It's actually provided personality summary as well. It's given him an estimation of where he would fit in on the DISC profile, on the Myers-Briggs profile, and also it attempts to on the Enneagram personality test as well. Now, it does its best. You can see he thinks it's a helper achiever. You can see, at least get an idea of what kind of personality he is. And you can see his focus is on building relationships and helping others achieve their goals. But what's really nice about this is if you scroll down, based on his passion for gliding, snow skiing, and travel, it appears that Guy Wilson gets very excited about adventure and physical activity, pursuing the entrepreneurial goals and building strength in relationships with others. So you can use this to start crafting messages to Guy. But now, this is where it gets even more interesting. So there's a little button here that says Ask the AI about this profile. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the AI and I'm going to create a prompt. Now, this connects directly into ChatGPT. I've asked the AI, write me a letter inviting this person to a networking event. Personalize the letter using items from their LinkedIn profile. Write the letter in the style of an old English aristocrat. Guy's not an English aristocrat, but I'm just giving you an example so you can find it. You can also use the prompt to identify the personality first and then say, use the personality you've identified and write the letter in the style of the personality of the profile. I'm not doing that now because I'm just for demonstration process, but it's very easy for me to do that. It's already read the LinkedIn profile and it knows the personality type. So ChatGPT can write that message. So like an old English aristocrat. My dearest Guy, it is a great pleasure that I extend to you an invitation about an upcoming networking event. Your profile on LinkedIn captured my interest. You possessed a keen entrepreneurial spirit. You're a member of Australia's software development industry and the co-founder of Safer Entrepreneurship. You see how it's reading his LinkedIn profile. Insight into the world of startups side hustles. He actually uses words like side hustles all the time, Guy, in his LinkedIn profile. So what it's actually doing is it's writing a letter that Guy will understand. I couldn't help notice your other interests as gliding and snow skiing and travel. We have great many members who share these very same passions. And you can see, and you can see, and you can see. Okay, so it's written this letter in that style. You can copy it, paste it, send it off to Guy very quickly. All right. Linda Joy Ben, different type of personality. She's much more esoteric. She's into the spiritual kind of stuff. So I chose these profiles to show you this specifically, right? There's her personality profile. It's got her tests and everything done. And then, of course, you can ask the AI about this profile. And I'm going to do the same thing as with Guy. Write a letter inviting this person to a networking event. Personalize this letter using items from their LinkedIn profile, but not in the style of an old English aristocrat. This time, in the style of a spiritual, let's say an esoteric, spiritual person. Okay, or context. Okay, ask the AI. Now, what it's doing is it's pushing it straight into ChatGPT via the API. It's reading that LinkedIn profile. It's writing the letter. It's sending it back through the Chrome extension and then obviously back here. So it's writing that whole letter foil and it takes about a few seconds, as you can see. So we'll just let it finish and then we can enjoy the letter. Right. Dear Linda Joy Ben, hope this letter finds you well. I came across your LinkedIn profile and was fascinated by your unique approach to empowerment and healing. As a fellow spiritual seeker, I would like to invite you to a networking event. It's centered around connecting with like-mindeds who have a pay it forward attitude just like you. Collaboration. helping people release, realign, restore, rebalance, and regenerate. You can't, it's unbelievable. It's really, I don't know what to say. We understand the importance of self-care for the soul. I mean, it's writing this stuff. I mean, it's just incredible. So anyway, if you're interested in attending the networking event, let me know and let's book a call. I don't know what to say, but it's pretty impressive. So you can have some fun with this. You can even, if you wanted to, ask it to write a legal letter, write a cease and desist legal letter based on a company profile or LinkedIn profile. I mean, you can have so much fun with this little Ask the AI button. So there it is, guys. It's available to you. It's free. Just go to www.mymosttrusted.net. All right. My Most Trusted, which is my most trusted network. Install the Chrome extension, which will take you all of about a few seconds. There it is. You download the Chrome extension and boom, you log in about 20 seconds and it's free. So have some fun, guys. Welcome to AI. The genie's out of the bottle. It's going to be a very interesting couple of months.